Hey guys, Nick here, back with another quick iOS tip that could totally save your day. A lot of you have probably run into this. You open Settings, go to Face ID and Passcode, try to turn off the passcode, and it's completely grayed out, you can't tap it at all. But at the same time, it still lets you change the passcode, so what's going on? In some cases, it's because of Face ID. If you scroll up, you'll see Reset Face ID, tap that, and right away the Turn Passcode Off option becomes available again. But what if Face ID is grayed out too? That's because you have stolen device protection turned on. Right above Turn Passcode Off, you'll see this option. Tap into it and disable it. Now you'll see a message saying security delay in progress. Tap Start Security Delay and a 1-hour countdown will start. You'll need to wait for that to finish before you can turn it off. This is a security feature from Apple to prevent someone from instantly accessing your data or money if your iPhone gets stolen. So yeah, you'll have to wait it out, go do something else and come back later. Once the hour is up, come back to this page and turn it off. Then go back, and now you can reset Face ID and turn off the passcode normally. One more thing to keep in mind. If you update to iOS 26.4.1, this feature will be turned on automatically to protect your device. So if you know you might need to turn off your passcode later, it's a good idea to disable this feature in advance. That's everything for today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Nick, and I'll see you in the next one.